Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so it's FPV Friday, y'all. And so my son is out here about to have his first outdoor FPV flight. You nervous?
Yep.
We got this monitor here from Emax. This is the monitor from the Transporter 2 goggle. And he's going to fly it on the monitor. It has a record on the side there. I have this little contraption that I bought off Amazon to be able to screw this thing onto. This little mount here clamps onto your transmitter or whatever you want it to clamp to. And I had to buy this little ball piece separate. But they do sell them together, but I just purchased mine this way. And so you got the Devo 12E right here, and that's the quad over there. He about to get it done, inshallah. You ready? We're gonna hit record right here real quick. Is this the R button?
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording. You know how to start off. Let's go. He's in the air with it, folks. Go forward. So fly
Oh,
up.
sorry.
Why you don't go forward? Fly. Go fly.
It looks so dark in the thing.
Don't fly to the trees.
There's an old stick me and Dylan was playing with until it got stuck.
Okay, you're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing great. Don't fall. Stay up here. You're doing good. Oh, don't fall.
Oh.
He's in the air with it, guys.
I keep
Oh,
almost
don't
falling.
fall. Come bring it up. Don't fall down. He's doing it. The bird just flew by.
There's the stick me and Dylan was playing with until it got stuck.
You can fly down the street a little
Okay.
if you dare, but just don't go in the street, okay? And if you see people, turn around and come back. You see people down there?
No.
Okay. Careful not to fly into nobody. You won't hurt them because it's a whoop, but come back if it starts getting sketchy, if it starts getting messed up. You look like you're getting comfortable with it.
It's so dark on the screen I can't tell where I am sometimes.
Yeah, the screen doesn't do well outdoors. It doesn't look like. You have to have it positioned a certain way so that you can see. I turned the backlight up for far as it can go. I think maybe the brightness I can turn up. I haven't tried that yet. Oh, you're going fast now.
Whoa, I fell on the. I almost fell.
Okay, I
on
think
the-
it might be time to bring it in because I'm not sure where the battery is. There's no buzzer on this thing.
Okay. And
Bring it back in. You flipped over. Let's see if you can do the flip over after crash. Hit this all the way that way. Now click that. Now just move this to the side. You did it.
oh yeah.
Okay. Let me stop the recording. Make sure you got it. Drone Dreesy with his first ever FPV flight outdoors. He's learning FPV. He's been learning it for a while now.
And I'm surprised I haven't crashed into anything. The only thing I crashed into was the floor when I landed.
Drone Dreesy, y'all. Freestyle Friday. This is a little quad that I put together for him to give you guys a breakdown of what this actually is. It's the Beta 75 board in here, the old Beta 75 1S board, and we have this top. I think this top came from a random group that I had bought. Not sure what this top is from. Oh, there it is, right? It's written right on there. This is the Matador from LDARC, and these are LDARC props here, and it has the 1103 Beta FPV 11,000 kV motors on it there, and this frame is the Beta FPV what is the 85 frame, 85 size frame, but this is made for 2S and 3S, but I just put that strap on there so I can I put a smaller strap on there so I can fly it with these 1S packs. And so that's it. Freestyle Friday, y'all. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.